Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to TikTok Shop. So in order for us to get this done, we're not going to be using the TikTok app itself. Instead, I'm going to close this and we're going to use the Seller Center. So you can go ahead and find this in the Google Play Store or on the Apple App Store. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click login with TikTok just like so. And then we should be redirected in here. So what we are going to do is hit the products tab down below. If I were to go ahead and click on it, you have here the option to add products. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one. Now after clicking on it, you have here the basic information. So you have the product image, the product name, the category, and then the product description. Now you can use AI to generate your own product description, but yeah, it's totally up to you. Last but not the least, you have the video, which is optional. But yeah, I think it would be great if you can upload one, especially if it involves like aesthetic purposes. And after doing so, you can just go ahead and click submit for review and you should be done. And yep, congratulations, that is how you're going to get this done.